Hi everybody, this is A for Ace Toy Crazy and the Leo with Glider. Sorry there's no box, I just got too excited.
Okay, let's open it up.
Okay, I can't open it because there's these wires behind here.
Oh, okay, we'll come right back.
Yeah. I was gonna get this open. Let's get Leo out first. Look at him. He's awesome. He's kind of bending down to the ground.
Ooh.
There we go.
Let's see the front of him. Move your fingers. Very cool.
And look.
Ooh, what does a glider do?
Wait a second. He can do like this. He can sit down.
Oh.
He can't kick, but still. And his glider. This looks a little bit trickier to get out. Let's see. There we go.
That's awesome. Put it on him. Let's see.
Okay. Put him on him. We gotta put his joints right here. Put him right here. There we go.
Is that the right way? That's backwards. Let's go on his back, I think. Oh, it is on his back. Let me see. Ooh.
And watch.
Ooh.
This toy's actually pretty cool.
That's very cool. Okay, hold him still. Let me see. Look at that.
This toy's actually kind of cool. I thought it wouldn't be that cool, but it's kind of cool.
It is.
Right?
That's the Leo with glider. I bet you want to go play with it, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the camera and tell everybody what you want to tell them.
Please like, subscribe my videos. Bye.